Guys, we are back at the old house again. Oh, the door is sticky. We're in the old house again. You may remember I was recording puppet videos and other videos in this house. So,
hey, that BB gun?
Oh yeah, it's my old BB gun. Let's go. Our aunt is moving in at the moment. She still hasn't. It's been months and she still hasn't moved all her stuff all the way on this side.
3 months.
She hasn't even moved in yet.
Send them there.
So should we start in the living room or?
Send them there.
I say leave the lights off and we get something to hold the camera up while we're at it. So I'm gonna use this giant stuffed animal giraffe.
Jerry.
Huh?
Jerry.
Oh, Jerry the giraffe? Mm-hmm. That's a good name. So
named him when he's the zombie?
Pet Cemetery video?
Yeah.
Alright. If there's any ghost with us, could you show yourself?
I said just there, right there.
I know there's a ghost in here. We've witnessed a lot of weird crap in this house.
Yeah,
Liam has a TikTok channel, and in one of his videos, he was using a filter.
Well,
something walked by the camera. It was
weird.
It
was not me or Sean.
It was nowhere. It was no one.
Yeah, it was on this side.
We were sitting on the couch, and we were just aiming the camera into the living room. Something walks by. It scared the crap out of me and Liam. And we just stopped recording immediately and ran upstairs to our bedroom. We shut the door, we sat there, we rewatched the video, and then we uploaded it to TikTok.
I was like...
We were all confused.
Like, who was that?
We even showed everyone else that was in this house. It was confusing.
It doesn't protect anything else.
It only detects human bodies, and that's what it detected. It doesn't detect objects or anything like that, so honestly, we just...
I have to charge my tablet to actually show them.
So,
I'm not posting on
Liam,
YouTube.
instead of talking, we should probably be quiet and listen for any ghost. I think I heard... It wasn't the couch. It sounded like someone walking up the stairs over there. Oh my god, I heard it again. Liam, I heard it again. Get back on the couch. I just heard it again. I looked over the thing, and I heard it again. I looked over the railing, and as I looked over the railing...
This house has a bunch of dark histories.
No, it doesn't.
How do you know?
Liam? Because I know, because... Well, honestly, because our uncle's great-great-grandmother and father lived here, and they didn't... Please tell me you heard that! Did you hear it?
Was that from the stairs?
That wasn't from the stair that time. That was, like, right behind the camera. Oh!
You got something there?
Ooh! I've never heard anything like this before because we're usually loud.
I heard something.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything. What did you hear?
I heard, like, footsteps still up those stairs.
I didn't hear anything. Write in the comments below if you heard anything or Liam's just being a big fat liar.
We hear stuff.
My camera just got darker and brighter. The closer we get to the camera, the darker it gets. What?
That's the ghost.
Okay, we stop. We sit here and we wait. I love this house. Was that you? Anyone? Was that you? that was... The camera just got darker.
What?
The camera just got darker.
How?
I don't know. Wait a minute. The room just got darker. Just now.
That's one.
I think it's just the sunlight. I mean, sometimes the sun will actually make things get darker.
It didn't have no windows behind us.
Yeah, and there's windows right over there.
I know.
So that's the reason.
Aww. That reminds me of something over there.
Oh. R.I.P. Chewie. Chewbacca. Got him in 2018.
When you got him some food,
I went upstairs to go feed Chewie and play with him for a bit, and I found him dead.
What was he sleeping?
You just scared the crap out of me. What if we just buried Chewbacca as he was just sleeping? Oh my. Liam. Okay. I'm gonna get that out of my head.
Is Chewbacca's spirit still in this house?
Chewbacca, if that's you, buddy. Ow. Did you just pinch me on the shoulder?
No, that's holding this.
My shoulder just got a big old...
Ow,
The
my
room
knee.
just got brighter.
My leg is itchy.
Again.
Over there.
Over there by the stairs. At the top of the stairs. Liam. No, sit down, Liam. We're gonna... Oh, are you okay? Oh, jeez, dude. You okay? What happened?
I tripped.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, and I hit my
Tripped
arm.
over the table.
And I hit my arm off.
Ow. Okay, well, get your foot off the table, you bingo. I'm gonna call you bingo every time you do something bad. But seriously, get your foot off the table, bingo. So, there was... Did you just hear that? There was something, the same noise that we heard going up the stairs.
I heard this.
I heard the same exact thing almost.
I heard
It was
something-
like over at the top of the stairs.
I know I heard it.
Liam, quiet. Chewbacca, if you're here with us, can you give us a sign? Was that you that pinched me on the shoulder?
He bites.
Or was that you touching me? Because, I don't know, maybe you gave me an electric shock or something. I don't know.
Was he biting you? Like this?
It was like something grabbed my shoulder like this and like squeezed. It hurt.
And
Kinda.
also my knee hurt.
If it's something that grabbed, if it was you that grabbed my shoulder, Liam, I think it was you.
How? What is this?
Liam, you could have just.
Let's rewind.
You guys go back to the part where I said, or go a few seconds before I said, oh, something pinched me. Liam, I swear it was Liam. It was Liam.
No, I was holding this. Like that. I'm holding this.
All right. Honestly, I didn't believe in ghosts until, well, this one time after Liam, when Liam was just a little baby. Liam, you were just a little baby.
And I raised that gravestone.
Oh boy.
I said that
Liam
Daddy.
Liam was like probably about 1 year old. So we went to go hang out. Me, my dad, and my brother went, well, baby Liam here, went to go hang out at a graveyard, walk around the place, look at gravestones.
Was it Buddy?
That's literally all we did.
Did we see Buddy?
No.
As
We left, my dad picked up Liam, and Liam lifted his head, looked behind my dad, and waved.
At gravestone.
At whatever was there, something he was waving at, whatever, some invisible thing. It's pretty spooky.
Did that ghost always follow me?
And I got an EMF meter for my birthday in 2019.
It's a ghost protector.
It's an EMF meter, Liam. It's called an EMF meter because it
Here's
detects.
mine.
That's not an EMF meter, though. So, I wish I had my EMF meter with me right now, but I don't. So,
Because we're not allowed to.
So, anyways, I'm gonna make a playlist about all the ghost experiences we had.
around the
Oh wait,
whole house.
Liam, hold on. We're gonna talk to Ghost.
Fluffy, if you're here with us now.
Yeah, we lost Fluffy once. We don't know if he's dead or alive. Fluffy, if you're here with us, Fluffy, Chewbacca,
If you're here,
we have other animals buried behind the house. We have like a cat and I think another dog. We also have 2 other dogs that died in this house.
where?
They
Wait.
were turned into dust, Liam, like Thanos did to the Avengers.
Oh yeah.
We got Sprinkles
Oh yeah.
and Moxie.
I never met Moxie.
Moxie got hit by a car.
I never met Moxie.
Sprinkles died by old age.
Yeah.
I was there when Moxie died. I was probably traumatized by that.
How did you?
I was
Sean,
in
hold
my.
on,
I was
hold on.
in.
Sean, Sprinkle was very nice.
Sprinkles is a nice dog.
I miss him. Not her.
And you met Sprinkles, and it was a her, and Moxie was a her as well. Anyways,
How many animals are we on dead?
I don't know.
We got one boy.
Liam, shh. If there's anyone in this house with us right now, can you give us one more sign, please? And we're gonna head upstairs. Maybe you can come with us upstairs. You stop doing that, Liam. I knew it was you, Liam, because I can feel it vibrating. Stop, Liam. Nothing?
Wait, Pete.
Okay, we got enough evidence here, Liam. Did you hear what we heard on those stairs?
Yes. I heard something over there, like there.
Yeah, we heard 3 different
areas.
I just heard something.
Over there.
You heard it as well? By the stairs?
It sounded like someone.
Alright, we're heading upstairs now.
I think we got more evidence than we thought.
Liam, I swear. And just to imagine that we used to sleep in this haunted place.
We did.
I just can't.
How?
I can't handle the truth anymore.
Someone just spooked me.
That was me.
You made me think I was a ghost.
I made you think you were a ghost.
No, I
have another ghost story for you guys. I have two ghost stories. Oh my god, there's a lot of dead flies here. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera here in our old bedroom. See, guys, there is a lot of things in this room that's not been cleaned out yet. This is probably the only empty area right here. This room is really echoey, so if we hear something.
Here's my bed used to be. And
my bed used to be over here. Lena's bed used to be over there.
My bed started TV.
You know what? There was something walking outside that door. Open it. I'm afraid to.
Oh.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I am terrified.
I think that door opened by itself from right here.
Oh, it did do that once. Me and my friend Mark were sitting here on my bed watching TV, which is what's
I'm using to understand. Not comfy.
It's not. We were sitting somewhere like about right here. I was sitting like this with my back against the wall like this. Mark was sitting where Liam technically is standing. When behind us, we hear the door open. We look. We go out it. We look around for a bit. There's nothing. Just nothing. We thought it was either Liam or Mark's sister.
Mia.
But
Mia.
There was no one there. Everyone was outside. And that's when we officially knew this place was haunted.
Yeah, that's the first summer we actually found it.
And on the other side of the house, the reason we're doing it over here is because it's empty.
And those people's houses, why kind of empty?
We should probably lower our voices. Roar the Lion. Did you guys know? Here's a fact for you from my puppet videos. We have multiple different Roar the Lions.
Somehow about the twin.
That's something we accidentally did. We got multiple different Roar the Lions. We have one. The reason we have multiple different ones is because I had one Roar the Lion at first. His face got chewed up by the dogs, and I mean chewed. So I'm so upset because it was the only Roar the Lion I had. What happened? My mom bought me a new Roar the Lion, and I was happy. My dad bought me a new Roar the Lion. I was absolutely confused. And then there's another person. And then my Nana, my grandmother, bought me one more Roar the Lion. We had 3 Roar the Lions.
Did you talk about 4?
We used to have 4, which was the chewed up one. But we threw away the chewed up one. So honestly, now we have just 3. So there's a lot of things in this room. There's a few things that we didn't move out yet. Like I have a big pop figure collection. I used to open the boxes and then put them on the shelf, but I'm no longer doing that because all the pop figures that I took out of the box are now broken. You just turned on Mario and it just scared me.
You for that. Good night, Mario.
Alright then, let's finish doing what we just started now.
No. Just be quiet.
Wait. Liam, I said stop walking. I heard it. Did you guys hear it? Something in that corner right over there.
Was it like the ghost of
I don't know what the heck that noise was. It was like
Was it a ghost of Fluff?
It sounded like scratching. It was like
Chewbacca!
it could be
Fluffy!
Oh, Chewbacca, Fluffy, I don't know, it could be an animal. You know, this bedroom used to be an attic, by the way, which means
had no floor here.
This floor was super flimsy. It's like you could take one step on this floor and it would break. So honestly,
and you would fall man eaters down.
See, honestly, I actually miss this house.
So, a little bit.
And that's something I thought I'd never hear. We stop doing that.
I was trying to go for that.
I have a big Goosebumps book collection. It's still here, right here. Man, for some reason, I extremely miss this house now.
I kind of miss Fluff.
Being back over here, it's just sad that we had to move.
I miss Fluff.
I'm honestly really upset.
Andy, you right here?
I am upset. But the good news is, Liam. Oh my God, Liam's going on the balcony. All right.
Don't put your camera
Just
down.
be careful.
Don't put your camera down. Do really high, please.
There's a squirrel. I can't put the camera. This is the fire exit. It's a balcony. The thing is, my aunt's actually going to allow me to live here when I'm older. When I turn 18, when I turn 18, my aunt's actually going to allow me to, well, live on our old side again. I'm gonna have to move the camera to a different location. Oh my God, the camera almost fell. So, soon, I'll probably be back on this side when I'm older. When I'm 18, I'm gonna be moving to, my aunt's going to allow me to live on this side of the house, the side that we used to live on, which means I'm going to be living back with the ghost that was on this side, which you're going to be getting a lot because This place is extremely haunted,
I'm
and
gonna make like videos each day.
I might be making ghost videos every 5 minutes because of this place. Well,
And this one I'm drawing.
what are you drawing, Liam?
Death is the path. And never came back.
You know, we should make a thumbnail for the video. Liam, come here, come here, come here, come here.
I'm drawing something.
No, not gonna make the thumbnail yet. Well,
This is the end of that video.
wanna sit? Alright, then let's sit down and talk to the ghost again. Let's sit down on the floor. Oh. Liam, come here, come here. Stop drawing on the little toy box. Liam, that's... Liam.
What did you do?
I'm gonna clean that old toy box. Liam, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. I will never let you have fun. Sit down. There we go. If there's a ghost in this house,
Please give us
a sign. Yeah, we heard you earlier. You were right in that corner over there. Oh my. As soon as I said the word corner, I heard something, but it was right in my ear.
What's that?
No, it was like a... Oh!
This is the end of that
I
video.
don't like this.
Come
Nope.
here, please.
If I'm going to be living here when I'm older, I don't think I can spend another night. And the reason I was probably used to it is because there was so much noise going on. Well, okay, now that this place is actually quiet, I think I found things. You know what, Liam? I made a video a while ago of me spending, and see how long I can spend on this side by myself without you. And it wasn't long. This is the longest I've ever spent on the side. And not gonna lie, spending it with you, spending the night over on the side with someone, it's honestly not as scary as it was when I was over here on the side by myself. The reason I'm over on this side is because it's quieter and we can probably hear more stuff. And this door you've probably never seen opened because that leads to a dangerous part of the house. It leads
You want to peek at it?
Liam, no. It leads somewhere where if you step on that floor, the floorboard will break and you will fall.
No, it was just something else. Like a hammer. So the end of this video.
Well, garbage. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.